Hi, welcome to the RIIS offices. My name is Felicia Naidu and I'm a consultant here. Let's go on a tour. What some of you may not know is that RIIS is part of the ANZA group. Over here you'll see our logos. The RIIS logo is the second one, flanked on either side by the ANZA Capital logo, the SA Innovation Summit, and the Tech Tribe Accelerator. This is our main office space made up of a bunch of hot desks. At RIIS, we work remotely, but our team members that are based in Johannesburg and in Pretoria are encouraged to come into the office 2 days a week for social interactions. These are our offices for meetings and quiet working. On this side is the boardroom that is currently being used for a meeting, and on this side is our executive lounge. And this over here is Glenn.
Hiya.
This is our memory wall. So as a small company, we have a very close-knit team, a very diverse team. So we have everyone from anthropologists to astrophysicists, from engineers to economists, and basically this is the wall that we try to update after every one of our social functions and events. We're not very good at it, but we try to be better.